Here is an awesome French toast recipe for you. First thing you'll need is white bread, as you can see right here. Next thing is milk. This is lactate, but you can use whole milk or whatever you like. Next thing are eggs, just regular eggs. Next we have salt, then vanilla, black pepper, cinnamon, and nutmeg. And what you do is basically take out a small bowl, take 2 eggs, mix in a half a cup of milk, a pinch of salt, pinch of pepper, use it lightly, but it does help, a teaspoon of pure vanilla. Then you want to pinch in a half a teaspoon of cinnamon and a quarter teaspoon of nutmeg. Mix that all together. When you mix all the ingredients from here to here in the bowl, you want to put a pan similar to this on the oven on medium-high heat. Put butter in it, and then you want to dip the bread in the bowl on each side. You don't want to dip it in too much because the bread gets soggy, but you want to dip it in on each side lightly, then put it in, flip it constantly, don't let it burn. When you get it out, you can serve it with powdered sugar, and it tastes powdered sugar and syrup, and it tastes excellent. Hope this helps you guys out. Great. Try it out. I'm sure you'll like it. Please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.